What's up, Ben here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what the anti-gambling boost is and how you can use it to help plan and progress your account. So at the top left, you see your profile image and the little guy there, the little pet with the Illuminati triangle. If there's notifications, you'll have to go through them first, but when it's at 0, you can tap it and this window will come up. If you activate it, you will go over to the anti-gambling mode, and it will let you preview any rewards that you're going to get from anything, basically, in the game. And these rewards are actually what you were going to get. So if you're planning to spend money or you have currency, like for a seasonal event, then this will let you plan what to spend everything on the best. For example, if I go over to Athene's Church here and over to 12-star spin, this would take a long time to save up, right? Over 96,000 of the Athene spin chips. So it will take a while to save, and you don't know if it's worth it, right? But if you go here, I can see exactly what my reward will be. And it's important to note that if I do the 12-star spin here, and I go and do other little free spins in between, it will not change the result of this. It actually goes per tier. So the first 12-star spin that I do here will give me this result every time, and I know exactly what it'll be, and that is a 12-star lull rogue, a water rogue. And I've done little spins before. I keep going back and I check, and it's always the same result. So I know for other accounts it might not be worth it to save up for the max spin, but for me it definitely is. For other people, if you don't get that on your first max spin, it's good to save up for the Athene events or just something else, right? You don't want to waste your currency, but that will allow you to plan to use your currency the best. And same goes for the seasonal events. And if you want to know, should I buy mega spins or should I just buy Athene chips? You can see exactly what your mega spins will do. 500 chocolate hearts, some gems, right? So this will not change. So I know exactly what I will get and what's the most worth to invest in at the time. Now, something I want to share that also goes with the anti-gambling boost. If I go over to the boost page here, I'll have to scroll down because it's not a very popular boost, but you will see the anti-gambling boost. Now, this is very deceptive. I don't like this. I almost spent money on this or used my sale points on it because I thought you can go in the anti-gambling and it lets you see only so far into the future. And I thought buying this would give me all my progress, because it says get your progress now, but you don't. You get whatever is in this pack currently. So I just wanted to let people know that so they don't spend $150 and don't get what they expected. That was a little thing with the anti-gambling. But as always, I hope this helped, guys, and I will see you in the next video.